What's up, you guys? Alex here from the Blessed Carpenter. I found another game-changing thing for if you're having a business, an app that you gotta have. This Linktree, right? Well, this is my business card, but Linktree gives you this QR code. Now, this QR code, when you scan this, it shows all of your business credentials, all of your social medias, any of your business web pages, anything that you need linked to. Basically a website. It's its own website. And it's all right here in this QR code. It's called linktree.com. I'll leave a link down below for it. I just found it. The buddy that made me my business card, I asked him to put my P.O. box and my email address on my business card. He said, bro, it's all in the Linktree. This thing is a game changer, you guys. Scan mine, see what it does. It's pretty cool. Peace. Yeah, I'm not sponsored by anybody. Not getting no promotions or anything like that. If anybody knows how to go about that, yo, please leave a link below. I'm all for doing advertisements and promotions for the stuff that I'm using. Linktree.com, game changer. Peace.